tapping add friend and nothing happens. Getting error like can't send request right now. You may not know this person or just stuck loading. I'll show you the proven fixes that work right now on Android. Let's get those requests sending again. Fix 1. Basic checks and quick restart. First, check your internet connection. Switch Wi-Fi to mobile data or try different network. Restart your phone. Power off and wait 30 seconds and turn it on. It clears temporary glitches. Force stop Facebook. Open your phone settings, then apps, app management or manage apps depends on your phone model. Then find Facebook from the list. Tap on it, tap on force stop. Then reopen the app and try sending request again. Many users fix the stuck loading or no response issue with just this. Fix 2 is clear cache and data. Go to settings, then apps again, manage apps and Facebook. Storage and cache. Tap clear cache and confirm. It is safe, no logout. Try sending the friend request again. Still not working? Tap clear storage or clear data. It logs you out. Re-log in after. Phase 3 is log out and log back in plus update app. Tap menu, scroll to bottom and log out. Close app completely, swipe from recent apps, reopen and log in, then try sending again. Also update Facebook in Google Play Store. New versions fix many request bugs. Fix 4 is check for restrictions and pending request, the real culprit. Facebook limits sending if you sent too many recently, many requests ignored, declined, or marked as don't know. Your profile is new or a low activity account. So what is the solution for it? Check friend request section, cancel old pending ones, especially many. Wait 24 to 48 hours, temporary blocks lift automatically. Review how people find and contact you. Go to settings, then audience and visibility. Then who can send you friend request and make sure yours isn't restricted. If blocked, message from Facebook appears in notifications or support inbox. Follow instructions. There you go. Friend request should send now. If this fixed your issue, smash that like button and subscribe for more Facebook and Android fixes. Happy connecting. See you in the next one.